This video explains how to troubleshoot a Kubernetes pod crash on cloud-native deployment platform. Hi, Nebojša Kosanovic here with Cisco Tech Mobility team. The video is designed to provide you step-by-step instructions to diagnose and resolve issues leading to pod crashes in your Kubernetes environment. When you encounter a pod crash, first step is to observe alerts on C for pod crash. Here we can see the name of the pod and description of the crash. Next, connect to the master node and display all Kubernetes pods that have crashed. This helps us identify the pods that are failing to start properly. Here we can see the name of the pod, we can see the status, and we can see on which node this pod is running. This is important information for later. For detailed analysis, we describe the pod that crashed to get more insight into why the crash occurred. Pay special attention to the logs under events, as they can provide valuable information on causes of the crash. In cases where the pod has crashed, it might be necessary to collect core files from the host node, in our case master 1. This involves connecting to the node and going to the folder where the core files are stored. So we're gonna check is there any core files there. In this case, none. For pods that have crashed and restarted, you might want to see the logs from the previous instance of the container. You can do so with this command. Lastly, if the issue persists, the action plan involves opening a service request to Cisco Tech for root cause analysis of the crash.